Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to enable Find My iPhone when iPhone is off in iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap privacy and security. On the privacy page, tap location services. Turn on location service. Click share my location. Tap find my iPhone. Turn on find my iPhone. Check network and location. Thanks for watching this video.